He is enjoying oatmeal.
He is enjoying oatmeal.
He is eating and sharing cereal with her.
He is eating and sharing cereal with her.
She enjoys breakfast while listening to music and browsing phone.
She enjoys breakfast while listening to music and browsing phone.
She is braiding her daughter's hair.
She is braiding her daughter's hair.
He is opening the window for fresh air.
He is opening the window for fresh air.
She is watering flowers in the garden.
She is watering flowers in the garden.
They are reading a story together.
They are reading a story together.
He is washing his hands with soap.
He is washing his hands with soap.
She is drawing a picture with crayons.
She is drawing a picture with crayons.
He is packing his school bag.
He is packing his school bag.
They are clapping and cheering loudly.
They are clapping and cheering loudly.
He is feeding the birds outside.
He is feeding the birds outside.
She is folding clothes neatly.
She is folding clothes neatly.
He is playing with toy blocks.
He is playing with toy blocks.
They are sitting quietly in class.
They are sitting quietly in class.
He is helping his friend stand up.
He is helping his friend stand up.
She is cleaning her room today.
She is cleaning her room today.
He is jumping over a small puddle.
He is jumping over a small puddle.
They are watching the bright stars.
They are watching the bright stars.
He is carrying a heavy backpack.
He is carrying a heavy backpack.
She is cutting fruits for lunch.
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 He is closing the door slowly.
He is closing the door slowly.
He is closing the door slowly.
He is closing the door slowly.